Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please consider hitting the subscribe button down below if you haven't done so, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I was able to use cashew, almond nut and date to make this pot of goodness. So if you're interested in seeing how I was able to do this, please keep watching. Let's get right into the video. So here I have my cashew with me. I have fresh cashew with me. I'll go ahead and add it into this bowl. Then once that is done, I'll add water and wash it until clean. What I have here is 2 cups of cashew. So now I'll go ahead and wash. I'm washing it in case if the cashew contains anything like sugar or salt, that's why I'm washing it. So it's necessary that you wash it, okay? So I'll wash it twice, and after washing it I will drain the water. After draining the water, I will add fresh water. So now I'm done washing it. I will transfer it into this bowl and add water to it. Once I add the water, I will leave it overnight to soften before I will make use of it. So what I have here is almond nuts. 1 cup of almond nut. I will add it into the bowl, wash it and still soak it overnight. Wash out the salt, then soak it overnight. So what I have here is date. I have fresh date with me. I removed the seeds already, as you can see. So now I will set it aside. So I'll move over to the cashew nut. This is the next day, and this is what the cashew nut looks like. This is what it looks like. I will drain out the water, then proceed with the next one, which is almond nut. I'll also drain out the water. Then I'll proceed to the juice extracting. So here I have my blender with me. I'll go ahead and add the cashew nut into it. After adding the cashew nut into it, I'll go ahead and add water. After adding the water, I will cover and blend. So cashew nuts are low in sugar and rich in fiber. They contain hearty, healthy fats and plant protein. They are also a good source of copper, magnesium, and manganese. The nutrients are important for energy production, brain health, immunity, and bone health. So cashew nuts are very, very healthy, guys. So now I went ahead and I wrapped this chiffon cloth around my pot. I'll go and transfer the blended cashew nut into the sieve. Then I'll proceed with sieving. So if you have a muslin bag, you can use to sieve. Whatever you can lay your hands on, you can use it to sieve, okay? So now I'll go ahead and sieve. Like I said, cashew nut is very good to your health. It's very good in lowering the sugar level, and it's also rich in fiber. So now I'll go ahead and add the remaining cashew nuts I have, then add water and also blend. Yeah, so anybody can take this drink, guys. Anybody can take it because it's very nutritious. It is packed with a lot of nutrients. So I added the one I blended. Now I will still go ahead and proceed with the sieving. If you have a bigger blender, that will save you the energy, the strength, you can just go ahead and blend everything at once. I sectioned the blending because my blender is small. So now I'll still transfer this chaff into the blender, add water and still blend it. Yes, because there's still milk in this chaff. Yes, that's why I still have to blend it the second time, okay? If you like, you can blend it up to 3 times, but I'll just be blending it this second time. Then after the second time, I will sieve it and I'm done with it. So after adding it into the blender, still go ahead and add water, then blend it. So now I'm done blending. I'll add the blended one again into the chiffon cloth, then I'll squeeze out the juice. This is mostly the same method you use to make your soy milk, but the difference is that this one we are not cooking this. Yes, that's just the difference. But soy milk, after sieving, you go ahead and boil it, but this one we are not boiling it. So now I'll go ahead and squeeze out the milk. This is a very healthy drink to make. Yes, you can as well make this and sell it. Yes, I don't see people making something like this and selling it, but you can actually make this and sell it. Yes, it's a cashew drink and it's very healthy and it's packed with nutrients. So after sieving after squeezing out the juice, now I will move over to blending the almond nut. So I'll go ahead and pour in the almond nut into the blender. Then I'll add water to it and also blend it until smooth. Remember, I am doing this separately because my blender is small. If you have a bigger blender, just go ahead, add everything together and blend, okay? It's still gonna give you the same result. It will still give you the same end product, okay? So now I'm done blending the almond nuts. I'll go ahead and sieve. I blended this once. Yes, because it blended so well, so I don't need to blend it twice. Now I'll go ahead and add the dates. For these dates, I will add hot water to it before blending it. This hot water will help to soften it. It will help to make the dates easy to blend. So after that, I'll go ahead and blend, and this is what I have after blending it. I added more water as I was blending. Yes, because as I was blending, it got thick, so I added more water to loosen the thickness. So after adding the water, now I'll go ahead and sieve. Like I said, this drink right here is packed with a lot of nutrients, guys. I'm not even joking. It's packed with a lot of nutrients. Almonds contain lots of healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. The healthy benefits of almonds include lower blood sugar levels, reduce blood pressure, and the lower cholesterol levels. Yes, those are the health benefits of almond nuts, okay? So if you cannot chew almond nuts, you can go ahead and use it to make your own juice and enjoy yourself, okay guys? So after that, I will squeeze it until all the juice I have there is out. So guys, like I said, this drink is a must try. It's a must try, honestly. The dates I used will serve as sugar, so you don't need to add sugar to this, okay? Date also helps to boost energy, strengthen the bones, promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve sleep. Yes, date is very good. Instead of you to use the normal sugar, use date because it's healthy for you, okay? So now I'm done sieving it, and this is what I have. This is what I have here, so I don't need to blend this anymore because I squeezed out all the juice in it. As you all can see, this is pure chaff, okay? So now I'll go ahead and set it aside. So guys, look at two cups of cashew nuts and 1 cup of almond nuts with let's say with about 1.5 cup of dates was able to make this amount of juice for me. Can you see? So if I'm to sell it, I will make a lot of money from this. Yes, I will make a lot of money. Remember the cashew nut I blended just twice. Had it been I blended it 3 times, I would have gotten more juice than what I have here. So you can see you can actually make a lot of money from this. So now I'll go ahead and transfer it into this container. And after that, I'll put it in the fridge to cool down. It's best served when cold. So if you want to have this for a longer time, just put it in the freezer, okay? Not in the refrigerator, but in the freezer. So now I was able to get, did you see, big cans of cola. I was able to get almost 3 bottles of it. So now I will go ahead and put these 2 into the freezer. The one that is not fully filled up, I will put it in the fridge. We will start from that one to enjoy ourselves. Okay guys, so that is it guys. At this point, if you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. So this is the next day and this one has cooled down. So now I will test now. Let me test this and I will call results. In fact, no need of calling a result, because as you all can see, it looks delicious. It looks yummy on its own. So no need. So this is me. I want to have a taste of it and let you guys know how it tastes. Okay, as you all can see, I couldn't even stop. So it means that this tastes so good guys. Oh my god. Yummy yummy, this tastes so good. So please prepare this, drink it. It's healthy for you, it will nourish you, it will give you all you want. So please like and subscribe. Bye.